Good morning, guys. It is Sunday, February 3rd, and today I'm going to do a what I eat in a day. I am doing keto, so this is all things keto. It is 8:15, and I'm gonna start out with a cup of coffee. So one thing I like to do in the mornings is I don't like my MTC oil in my coffee. So I actually just take a tablespoon and drink it. It fills me up, so it does really help. I just can't do it in my coffee. I end up not drinking my coffee if it's in there. And it tastes like nothing but like plastic. I don't know, I need my water. I usually have my water with me whenever I do that. I didn't today. So. So I am doing 14 ounces of coffee, 12 ounces of coffee compared to my normal 16 that I do during the week. As you can see, I have a really big coffee cup, so. And then I have a scale, so I'm going to put it on the scale. I will leave a link to the scale down below, and I'm going to turn on milliliters, and then I'm going to get some heavy whipping cream. All right, I have my heavy whipping cream, and I'm just going to pour 15 milliliters in there. Oh, you know what? Actually, I'm going to do like 12. I'm just gonna do 11 because because there's less coffee than I normally do. And then I'm going to add a teaspoon and a half of erythritol. Let's see if I can do this. Okay, it's not a full teaspoon, so I will do 2 smaller teaspoons, and I just got erythritol everywhere. This is harder than it looks. And then we're just gonna give it a good stir, and there's my coffee for the morning. That's what I'm gonna drink for a little while, and then see if I get hungry or whatever, but I doubt I will. So I have my coffee. I also need to put some ice and add some more water to my water cup because I like to have this completely full at all times. It forces me to drink more water. I love water in the first place, but sometimes I just don't drink it. I don't know. Water's my first choice on anything. I'm sure that's loud. Water's my first choice on any beverage, but if I'm not thirsty, I'm not thirsty. So if it's there, I'll know to drink it. So, have my coffee, have my water, and let's get this day started. That MTC oil usually fills me up for quite a while, and I can wait to eat until closer to like noon or 1 or something. So that's what I'm gonna try to do today. I have some stuff I have to get done. We switched around my washer and dryer yesterday, and the dryer I now have makes a really bad noise. So I'm going to get my coffee and go take apart my dryer and see if I can fix it. And then I will check back in with you later. Hey guys, so it is almost 1 o'clock, and I'm gonna go ahead and make my lunch for today. I'm gonna do an omelet, but I'm gonna do it a little differently. I'm gonna do it in a waffle maker and just do it that way. So I am in the middle of cleaning and stuff, so I have my apron on, and yeah, so let's go ahead and get into making my lunch. Okay, so I have my waffle maker on and heating up. I have a mason jar to mix the mixture once it's time. I have some mozzarella cheese, some small diced onions, garlic and herb seasoning, 2 eggs, and then some sliced mushrooms. So what I'm going to do, sure. What I'm going to do first is, it's heated up for a little bit. I'm going to add some of the onions and mushrooms onto here to kind of cook. Whew. Let me spray that a little bit. I'm going to use some olive oil spray and just spray this down. I'm going to add some onions. And some mushrooms. I could have done this in a skillet beforehand, but I don't want to dirty up anything else. I just want to dirty this up. And then in my mason jar, I'm going to go ahead and crack both of my eggs. Some salt, some pepper, and then a couple, I think it was like 1/4 of a teaspoon of the garlic and herb seasoning. Let's check on this. And then we're going to whisk this up. All of my whisks are dirty. I'm going to add my mozzarella cheese. Maybe about 1/4 of a cup. So this is like super fast. I've never done this before, so let's see how it goes. I think I'm going to need another egg though. Maybe a little more seasoning. Okay. Ooh, these are gonna be good. Okay, so I'm gonna spray this again. And we're just gonna add the egg mixture directly on top. Kind of get it everywhere. And there's still onions like up on the top too. So we're gonna close it, flip it, and lock it. You know what, there's still some cheese and stuff in here. Close it, flip it, and lock it. And then we're gonna let that go for about a couple minutes. Okay, so it started to like explode. So I unplugged it because it was seeping out, and yeah. So it still needs to cook for a second. All right, I think it is done. Let me grab a plate.
Yeah.
Whew. All right, now I'm gonna top it with some salsa, and there's that. The salsa I'm using is this paste chunky salsa. It is keto friendly, so I'm just going to add 1.5 tablespoons. And there's my lunch. Let's give it a try. It's a little gooey, but it's from the cheese. Like, you can see a lot of the cheese down there. So that was really good. I'm going to eat this for lunch. If I do it again, I would use less garlic and herb seasoning because I did get a really strong hint of that. Other than that, it's good. So that is going to be my lunch for today, and we'll check back in later. Okay, so it is about 2:30. I'm actually going to make some chili. So I am coming out with a video soon of 4 crock-pot meals. So I'm going to make the chili tonight for dinner. I'm gonna film for that video. So I'm not gonna show you how I make that right now. So if that video is out soon, please look out for it. If it is already out, I'll leave it down below, but I don't think it will be. So let's go ahead and I'm gonna prepare that and then have that going, and then I'll show you the finished product. All right, the chili is done. So here's what it looks like. So 1 serving is a cup. So I'm actually going to make myself, I'm going to turn this off, make myself a serving and show you what that looks like. All right, I have my serving of chili for dinner tonight. I just put some sour cream on it. So that's what's going to be what I eat in a day. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up so I know maybe I should do more of them. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.